The Territory is enjoying its first taste of the predicted mining boom, gaming $200 million of mineral exploration in last year alone. And while we wait for Inpex to arrive, today another huge project came a step closer, and it too is expected to bring in big dollars.
With a mine life of 20 years, the Roper Bar iron ore project is set to be worth hundreds of millions of dollars, and things are looking good for it to get the go-ahead.
Potentially it could be one of the biggest mines in the Territory, and obviously it's a great regional development opportunity, good business opportunity for traditional owners in the area, excellent opportunities for employment, and obviously, we think we're going to be a great corporate citizen because ultimately we'll be paying significant royalties to the Territory government.
The company behind the mine, Western Desert Resources, had originally planned a pipeline from the Roper Bar site. The controversial pipeline would have run across the land and underwater to Maria Island. But a deal struck today between the company and Xstrata Zinc will allow access to the pre-existing MacArthur River mine loading facilities at Bing Bong on the Gulf of Carpentaria. The pipeline will now be replaced with 160 kilometres of road that the iron ore will be trucked on.
The best thing about this is that we no longer have to build a plant. Before we were having to build a plant because the slurry pipeline was the optimum transport option. Now we have the capacity to truck our direct shipping ore, and obviously that's going to create significant value for us, and it'll give us plenty of time to assess the rest of the project.
2.5 to 3 million tonnes of iron ore are expected to be shipped per annum, and the new plan will see production accelerated by 12 months, with work starting as soon as the end of next year. Today's announcement comes one day after traditional owners travelled here to Parliament House and handed the government a petition against the proposed pipeline. With those plans now scrapped, the project looks more likely than ever to go ahead. Both sides of politics welcome the development, mining clearly high on both Labor and the CLP's future plans for the Territory.
But make no mistake, we need projects like this. The local people and the Territory need projects of this size. So we need a government to work proactively with a company such as this to ensure that these sort of projects do progress.
Southeast Asia is the place where we're going to focus, and we will continue to focus. The money, the rising targets of Southeast Asian economies are really, really strong, and they need our resources. And we're very, very happy to work with companies.
With our rich natural resources, it's very likely more investment is still to come. Amy Davis, 9 News.